If you believe that a president can just wave a wand and make him a dictator and wash away the Constitution and make his own rules in this country, then, like, your teachers need to be slapped, or whoever taught you that. That is ridiculous. It makes absolutely no sense. Now, the left wing has been trying to do that the past 4 years with mandating freaking the jabs, forcing people to take the jabs for work from everywhere, from the medical field to the military, big corporations. It's starting to backfire on them now. The only place it's not backfiring on is Kamala Harris's staff. Oh yeah, they got to stay up to date with those jabs. All the boosters and stuff like that. Oh, without a doubt. Got to stay up to date with them. She ain't letting that shit go. It don't matter. Put that shit in your body that has not been tested long enough. I can't wait for our Captain America to come back. Counting down the days. We just finished what? Day 11 today? Tomorrow to be day 10 till the election. I can't wait till this shit is over. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait till it's over. It's all good though. Donald Trump will be our next president of the United States. We just got to remember, to win, we have to win the House. So let's make sure we vote Republican down ballot, whatever state or area you live in. Republican all the way. And we'll get this thing figured out. You see, another thing before I go, the Democratic Party, the Democrat Party, not Democratic. Some people like to use that term, but the Democrat Party needs to be rebuilt altogether. Needs a total overhaul. See, the Republican Party has been going through an overhaul for the past 4 years. It still needs work, and it's in the process of having people get weaned in and weaned out and stuff like that. The Democrat Party needs it big time, probably like 90%. And I think that's a fair number to say, a fair percentage, 90%. We got some bad people in there. That's lifers, you know, that with some good people on the outside that has some real centrist views and stuff like that. That lean Democrat that can do a really good job, and we have some bipartisan stuff take place for this country. Needs a big overhaul. I like two parties. I'm good with both of them. I'm not just like a Republican and that's all up. I stand behind whatever y'all say is what I do. No. Like both of them. We gotta have it. We got to have it. But they need a rebuild. Hopefully we'll get to see that in the next 12 years. All right, y'all take it easy.